Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use filters on Samsung camera, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the camera app on your Samsung phone. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the camera menu, locate the settings icon in the top left corner and tap on it. Step 3. Now, scroll down in the settings menu and find the settings to keep option, then open it. Step 4. Within this menu, look for the filters option and enable it. This ensures that your chosen filter remains active even when you close and reopen the camera app. Step 5. After enabling filters, go back to the main camera menu. Now, tap on the filters icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 6. Here, you will see a variety of filter options displayed on the screen. Simply swipe through the filters, select the one you like, and then tap on the capture button to take a photo. Step 7. To confirm that the filter has been applied successfully, tap on the photo preview icon in the bottom corner, and you'll see your filtered image. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.